So all the methods that we have discussed so far, they were concerned with modifying the image pixel values. That is, they operated on a pixel via its value. For example, whether we discussed histogram equalization or whether we discussed image smoothing, all these methods operated on an image pixel to get a transformed pixel value for the resultant image. In this section, however, we are going to discuss some of the methods, mainly the morphological image smoothing and some of the morphological operations as a part of covering the morphological image smoothing that disregard the pixel values. So in this section, we are going to discuss morphological image processing, some of the operations in the morphological image processing, so that we can get a fair understanding of what morphological image smoothing is. So in short, morphological image processing methods are a set of non-linear mathematical operations on an image related to the shape or morphology of features in an image. So all these methods, these mathematical methods operate on a binary image and they disregard the individual pixel values. That is, the individual pixel value becomes irrelevant. So the morphological operations are concerned primarily with smoothing out the shapes in images or smoothing out some of the features in an image rather than smoothing out the pixel values. Furthermore, in previous lectures, we were using the terms operators, filters, kernels, whether we are covering image smoothing or histogram equalization. In morphological image processing, we call these operators structuring elements. And they operate on binary images, again concerned with the shapes of features or shapes of some element in images. That is what binary images essentially capture. So next we will discuss some of the mathematical operations in morphological image processing.